Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in this video I am gonna create the Durga Puja Shaptami makeup look, which is the second day of Durga Puja, and I have created this gorgeous olive green eyes and I have paired it with a nude peachy lip, which looks so gorgeous. And I'm gonna wear this look in the second day, that is Shaptami of Durga Puja. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I'll be doing my face makeup at first, and for the foundation I'm using the PAC Aged Liquid Foundation in the shade 2.5, which just matches me perfectly, and it has got the perfect yellow undertone, and it's a dewy foundation guys, so it will give you a very nice dewy look. So I'm just warming it up a little bit and just dotting it all over my face. Now using this Puna Store makeup sponge, I'll be blending out my foundation. I have done a complete in-depth review of this sponge guys on my channel. You can just click on that eye to watch it, and it's a great sponge for blending your foundation. For the concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium, and I will be highlighting my face as well as concealing my face with the help of this concealer. So I'm putting it under my eyes in the form of an inverted triangle, and all the other usual areas where I just need to conceal. On the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, you know the drill guys. So I am just blending this out also with the help of the same sponge. So this is how my face is looking after my foundation done and my concealing done. Now to set my face, I'm using Nykaa Skin Genius Compact in the shade Warm Honey. This shade is a little bit darker for me guys, but the formula is amazing and it's so finely milled that it will just set your makeup and will last on you for the whole day. So I'm just using it to set my overall face. Now I'll be doing my eye makeup, and for the eyes I am using this PAC Long Lasting Kohl in the shade Forest Green at first. So it's a smudge proof, waterproof kohl kajal, so I'm just putting it all over my lid. Actually I'm just creating the base for my other eyeshadows. So I'm just putting it all over my lid and blending this out with the help of the smudger that it comes with. And it's a gorgeous green shade guys, you just need to try this one. So now it's time to do my actual eye makeup, and for this I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette, and it's the Tammy Into Makeup Revolution Tropical Paradise palette. So at first I'm taking this olive green shade which is called Paradise, and I'm just spritzing a little bit of fixer in it and just spreading it all over my lid on the part where I have just put the kohl. So the kohl will act as a base for this eyeshadow to work on. So you can see it's a gorgeous green shade guys. I am just in love with this shade. So now I'm taking this transition color, this is called Isle of Spice, and it's a warm brown shade, and taking it in a blending brush I'm just blending this shade in my crease as a transition color, and this will just also help to just prevent any harsh edges. So you have to blend this very well. So now I'm gonna take this dark brown shade from the palette which is called Adventure in a small crease brush, and I'm putting it in the outer two-thirds of my eyes and blending it out with the previous crease shade that we put. You have to blend it very well guys. Now I'm taking this black from the palette which is called Midnight Stroll, and I am just concentrating it in the outer corners of my eyes. And taking the previous crease brush, I am just blending out my crease so that there is no harsh lines. You can also intensify the lid shade as well, so I'm just also intensifying the green that I put on my lid. So you can see it's looking so nice. Now it's time to do my lower lash line, and for the lower lash line I am at first taking the shade the dark brown, which is called Adventure, and just putting it all over my lower lash line. Now taking this green shade called Paradise in a small smudging brush, I'm putting it in the inner two-thirds of my eyes, and this will just make the eyes look so popped out. Now taking the black again, I'm putting it in the outer corner of my lower lash line to create the smokiness. And this is how my eyes are looking. Now I'm taking this champagne gold shade from the palette, which is called Pina Colada, and I'm just putting it in the inner corners of my eyes, and I will be also highlighting my brow bone with the same shade. Now it's time to tightline, and for tightlining I'm using this Bella Voste Smoky Kajal in the shade Charcoal Black, and it's a great kohl, guys. You just need to try this one, and I'm tightlining my upper and lower waterline with it. For the liner, I'm using this Ellen Blue Cosmetics liquid liner in the shade Black, and I'm just drawing a regular winged eyeliner. Now it's time to put on some falsies, and I will be right back. So falsies is done, guys. I have used this Pack Mink eyelash number M73, and it looks so flared up and so weird. Now it's time to contour, and for contouring my face I'm using the L'Oreal Glam Bronze Duo in the shade 102, and I'm taking that contour slash bronzing shade and putting it in the hollows of my face and all other areas where I just need to contour. I'm also contouring my jawline as well to hide my double chin. So for the blush, I'm using L'Oreal True Match Lip Blush in the shade Rosy Cheeks, and I'll be just putting it on the apples of my face. Guys, I have forgotten to contour my nose, and I am just taking this contouring shade again and just contouring my nose with it. So this is how my face is looking now. Now it's time to highlight, and for highlighting I'm using my favorite highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm just putting it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my nose, Cupid's bow, and all the other usual areas. Taking this highlighter in a small pencil brush, I am also putting it in the inner corners of my eyes to open up my eyes, and the shade looks amazing. Now it's time to do my lips, and for the lips I'm gonna use this Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade 12 Loved, and it's a gorgeous peachy nude shade which has got a lot of brown in it, and this will look very nice with this glamorous olive eyes. So this is how my lips are looking. Now it's time to set my face, and for setting my face I'm using this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water and spritzing it all over my face, and this just smells so divine, guys. It smells so good. So this is a finished look, guys. I really like how it turned out, and I have paired it with this earrings which I got from Amazon, and I really like this one. So I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you did, then please hit on the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. More videos are coming soon, guys. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Love you.